Alright, can't see it very well, but there is a pumpkin on top of the stairs. Inside the pumpkin I have a solution of hydrogen peroxide, taken from some hair care products, a little bit of soap, food coloring, and a surprise ingredient. Let's see how this works. And can you... Let's see what happens. Watch out, Jessica. Come, Jessica, come here.
And there it goes.
Light. It's growing.
It's came out the top.
I just turned the light off and you can see now the pumpkin is, yeah, it's glowing.
Look at the ground.
The ground's a mess.
I would say that hole was going to be big enough. I probably shouldn't have put the thing on there.
So that didn't quite work the way I wanted it to. That's okay, we got next year. See a bit closer. Completely foggy. Yep, so attempt at a glow-in-the-dark elephant toothpaste. We'll talk about what makes it glow in the dark later on.